Hello students, I am going to continue the second chapter, work, energy and power. In the previous video we did the introduction of the work. Now we are going to start with expression of the work. W is equal to F as cos theta. How we are getting it? If a force F acts on a body, the body moves, force is acted in this direction, but the body moves along AC. Force is acting in the direction AB, but the body moves in the direction AC, and there is an angle theta between force and the displacement of the body. So draw a perpendicular CB from C on AB. So in right angle triangle ABC, this angle, since we have drawn the perpendicular, this angle is of 90. So wherever two angles are there, it is base and it is hypotenuse. So let me find out the theta, cos theta. What is cos? That is base over hypotenuse, AB over AC. So cos theta is equal to AB over AC, or cos theta is equal to AB over AC is what? Displacement of the body. So S will go to this side, AB is equal to S cos theta. And what is work done? Force into displacement. Force into F into AB. So W is equal to F into AB. F is equal to what is the value of AB? Put it as cos theta. So we got W is equal to F as cos theta. So, there are three cases for it. Case 1, when the body moves in the direction of force applied. So, if we are applying a force on the body and the body covers the displacement in the same direction in which force is applied, then the angle between force and the displacement, it is how much? 0 degree. So W is equal to F as cos theta. Put the value of theta. W will be F into S cos 0 degree. Okay, F into S into 1, because cos 0 degree is equal to 1. That is cos 0 degree. Or we can say W is equal to force into displacement. W is equal to force into displacement, F into S. But in case 2, when the force applied and the displacement are perpendicular to each other, means we are applying a force on a body. Suppose this is the body in this direction, but the body moves in this direction. The angle between force and the displacement, it becomes equal to 90 degree, means theta is equal to 90. So W is equal to F as cos theta or F as cos 90. Okay, F into S into 0, because cos 90 is always equal to 0 and work done is 0. Okay, when the body moves in a circular path, then also we are saying when a body covers the full circle, then the work done by the body is equal to 0, because the body starts from the original position and after covering the full distance it reaches to the same position, means this total displacement is 0. So W is equal to F into 0 into cos theta. Okay, multiply with 0 to the any number, the answer is always 0. So again work done is 0. But if someone says to us be that what is the work done when the earth or the body covers the half circle? Then it is very difficult for us to calculate the work done, okay, because we can't calculate the angle theta. So in the same way as we have done, when the body moves in a circular path and the work done is 0, okay, now suppose it is the sun, and we know that earth revolves around the sun, and earth is attracted always by the sun by the gravitational force. Okay, force is acting towards the center of the circle where it is sun, and the body, displacement of the body, since the earth moves like this, okay, the displacement covered by the body is equal to the tangent. From, as you know, the tangent of the circle is always perpendicular to the radius of the circle. So again angle theta became 90 degree. So we will find out again W is equal to F as cos 90, okay, and cos 90 is always 0. Again work done will be 0. If the earth reaches at this point, again it is attracted by the sun, and it is the movement or the displacement covered by the earth equal to the tangent of the circle. Again this angle becomes 90. Again work done will be 0. Okay, case third. When we are applying the force in this direction, but the body moves in the opposite direction, then the angle between the force and the displacement of the body, it is how much? 180. So W is equal to F as, since theta is 180, cos 180. I think you might be knowing about the value of cos 180. So it is F into S. Cos 180 is always equal to 1, and work done is negative. Thanks, beta.